The post-election celebrations are over and it's back to Canberra for the re-elected Prime Minister. Anthony Albanese becoming the first Australian leader to win back-to-back elections in more than 2 decades.
We are deeply humbled by the result on Saturday and we don't take a second of it for granted. The hard work will continue today.
The Prime Minister said he had a warm and positive phone call with US President Donald Trump. He said they spoke about defence ties and tariffs. Recent surveys have shown the Australian public's trust in the US has fallen after the imposition of tariffs on all countries, including Australia, which faces a 10% levy. Treasurer Jim Chalmers says the direct impact of US tariffs on Australia is manageable, but there is what he called a huge downside risk for the global economy, with a trade war brewing between the United States and China casting a shadow over the world. Donald Trump told reporters at the White House he's very friendly with Albanese. Analysts say the unpredictability of the Trump administration will continue to cause disruptions for Australia.
The increased uncertainty is bad for businesses and bad for financial markets as we see gyrations of financial prices.
The relationship between China and Australia had soured under the previous Conservative government. In Albanese's first term, that relationship improved substantially. Maintaining those ties will be key in the coming years.
Strategically, Australia is aligned with the United States, economically, and in terms of trade, aligned with China. So it's managing that relationship and particularly managing it in the context of the new tariff regime of the United States.
China is Australia's top trading partner. Analysts say a slowdown in China sparked by the US-China trade war will have international implications. The local impact of a changing global economy is already being felt by small business owner Debbie, who sells customisable craft supplies online, with suppliers looking for alternative markets to the US and increasingly attracting Australian consumers.
We're finding that there's a whole lot of stock that's being produced for the US market, but then they're being shipped to markets like Australia, which are not affected by what's going on, which is the tariff.
She says she's trying to adapt her business to the changing circumstances to improve resilience. It's a priority the new Australian government also shares. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Sydney.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.